And a good Monday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. We are getting off to a cooler than average start this week. We're going to be stuck in the 60s today, but temperatures shoot up tomorrow back around 80 degrees, and we should hold above average in the mid and upper 70s here through the end of the week. We are on the cooler side of a warm frontal boundary right now, and this front is lifting northward slowly, bringing with it some rain. Some of this rain is actually the remnant moisture from what was Tropical Storm Gordon. You remember that last week? So this rainfall could get a little bit heavier, but it's going to take its time moving on in. And out ahead of it with the easterly wind, the clouds, the rain, it's going to be a cool one. You can see the highs getting no higher than the mid and even a few upper 60s out there today. So let me step you through the timeline here. In the Boston area, I think you're dry through at least lunchtime. Once we get deeper into the afternoon, the chance for rain is going to get a little bit higher, and especially your evening and overnight plans. That's when I do think we're going to see our heaviest rain. Here it is on Futurecast through about noontime or so. Most of it is going to be along and outside of 495, and then it will start to fill in as we get toward this evening, and especially overnight, there could be a few rumbles of thunder in addition to some heavier downpours. The temperatures overnight are actually going to start to climb as the winds turn to the southeast. We should come up by tomorrow morning to about 65 to 70 degrees, and you're going to notice the humidity coming up tomorrow as well. High temperatures getting to around 80 degrees in most spots tomorrow, with more of a southerly wind, upper 70s on Cape Cod. So it's warm, it's humid tomorrow, and there will be a few showers and thunderstorms around, especially the first half of the day, as we're going to be on the south side or warm side of this warm front, but a cold front is just going to kind of linger to our west as we get into the afternoon hours on Tuesday, and even on Wednesday it's still going to be around. So there will be at least the potential for some showers and storms. But over the next couple of days, it looks like some of the rain could be heavy, especially Worcester on west, where 1.5 to 2 inches is possible. Could see close to an inch in the Boston area, with the least amount probably on the Cape, where we come in under a half an inch. So some beneficial rain coming our way here the next few days. In the tropics, we continue to monitor 3 hurricanes right now. September the 10th, typically the peak of the hurricane season, and you can see we've got 3 hurricanes that we are watching. Of most concern, of course, is Florence. This is still a good 600 miles southeast of Bermuda, but it has strengthened. The winds are 105 miles per hour. This is a Category 2 as of now, but as it continues to move toward the west-northwest, it's got a couple things going for it. First off, these waters are super warm, running in the mid-80s all the way toward the east coast. But also the winds in the upper levels are going to be lighter, so there isn't any wind shear to weaken this thing. So it is forecast to strengthen. In fact, in the next 24 hours, becoming a Category 4, and then maintaining that intensity as it makes a run here toward the Carolina coastline. And within the cone, notice is basically from Virginia through North Carolina, all the way into South Carolina. This is where we expect a landfall, and it's going to come ashore likely sometime later Thursday or Thursday night. Once it makes its way on shore, it's going to sit here and rain for several days to come, and you can see the computer models really converging on a solution that brings it into this area. But once it makes landfall, there's nothing really to carry it on out of here, so the potential for tremendous rain and inland flooding is going to be huge. It looks like a widespread area of about 6 to 12 inches of rain, but there will likely be localized spots that pick up between 20 or 30 inches or more of rain. So this is going to produce significant flooding down in this area. And although we are not going to get in on the wind or the rain from Florence, there are going to be some impacts locally in terms of the surf, especially along the south coast. Erosion is a possibility, and rip currents as well. So even though we move toward the late week period, we're not going to be dealing with that. There will be the potential for some rough surf and rip currents. Isaac has a 75-mile-per-hour winds. This is a much smaller hurricane, and you can see the path is going to take it likely south of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola. Probably not a threat to the east coast. And Helene, the 3rd hurricane we're watching, does look like it's going to stay out in the open Atlantic and hopefully not bother anyone, but very active, as you can see, in the tropics. And there you see our weather starting to dry out after Wednesday. But even though the sun's going to be out and we are going to see temperatures in the 70s, if you are headed to the beach here late in the week and even the weekend, do watch out. There will be that increased risk for rip currents and rough surf as well.